The sound of short I is I, I, I. The sound of long I is I, I, I. Let's do the short sound, then the long sound. I, 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 I. The words in this column will have the short sound of I because they are in the middle of the word. These words will use the long I sound of I. When you have an I followed by any consonant followed by an E, the E will make the I 2 letters before it have its long sound of I. Any consonant can go here. This E is called a silent E because it doesn't make a sound. It just makes the I have its long sound. Some people call this E the magic E. Hid, hide, rid, ride, lick, like, hick, hike, pick, pike, bill, bile, fill, file, mill, mile, pill, pile, till, tile, dim, dime, Tim. This is a name, so it has a capital letter. Time, fin, fine, pin, pine, win, wine, rip, ripe, bit, bite, kit, kite, sit, sight, bike, dive, fire, five, hire, tire, hive, life, lime, mile, 9, line. Let's practice our short words. The two pronunciations of this are and a. Is used most of the time. A is used for emphasis. I, is. Sometimes the letter S sounds like a Z. This word is usually pronounced the. Sometimes it is pronounced the for emphasis. Here's our new word for this lesson, his. This is another word where S sounds like a Z. You notice the word is inside of his? His. Let's practice with some sentences. I gave Kate 5 bikes. I gave Kate 5 bikes. His wine is on fire. His wine is on fire. Dave gave Dad his ripe lime. Dave gave Dad his ripe lime. His website is live. His website is live. I went on a 9-mile hike. I went on a 9-mile hike. Dad will ride his bike. Dad will ride his bike.